Hey everyone, Thomas here. Welcome to another honest review. Today I'm reviewing Profit Tearz. I have quite a few things to say about this product. From all side, I have a lot of things to say about it, and we have great bonuses for you, which are meant to actually take this to the next level, and will make you a lot of money, a lot more money than this promises to make you. And even if you're not going to make from this product what they promise you're going to make more than what you can possibly than what they can. The bonus is going to actually make you more. I'm going to explain exactly why, so you're going to love that one. Okay, so that's the thing here, right? And of course we have the product. So let's begin. So I'm going to read on the sales page, then I'm going to jump into the product. Where is the access? I'm going to refresh it, and yeah, coolio. So struggling newbies, does making $0 online bring tears to your face? New case study reveals I loved reading those sales pages. Some of them are really ridiculous. That's how it works. A new case study reveals the no-selling pandemic-proof method that used to go from $0 to $136 daily, and how you can do it without selling experience or paid traffic. And absolutely no selling required to profit. No BS theory. This is 100% proven by real users. No paid methods involved, fueled by only free traffic methods. No guesswork, no special skills or experience required. Create new passive income streams. You're only 3 steps away from making no selling profits. So let's talk about what it really is. What it really is simply CPA traffic method, right? You send traffic. The whole method is sending traffic to a squeeze page, building a list, and then promoting CPA offers, which require no selling. So that's how you make your money. And they have a few case studies here. They're talking about traffic, done for you campaigns, and training modules. And I mean, it's a bunch of stuff. It's really good, actually. And how do I go about reviewing and telling you what it is without actually telling you what it is, because I cannot share the information with you, But case study, traffic, done for your campaigns, Profit Tearz. Look, so first of all, the thing about their traffic method right here is that they teach you a few traffic methods, free and paid. The free is nice, the paid is nice. They're all great. They're all working. And the proof is right here. But the paid traffic method from the get-go is pretty expensive. And the free traffic method is not punchy enough, right? You're not going to get huge results with it, especially the beginning. And, so as I go through this training and I see that it gives you this, it's very, you know what I mean? It's very basic. It's not groundbreaking at all. It's fairly basic, which is fine. It gives you everything you need. You're gonna make money with this. But what I feel is that if you have, I just want to give you an edge. I want to give you something beyond what they give you, which is why I wanted to talk about the bonus more in this review, more than the product. Because what can I review here, right? I've watched the training. It's good. Okay, it's not amazing. It's good. It's gonna make you money. But it's not amazing, not because they're not teaching you good, but because it's fairly basic, which bothers me a little bit. I really want to take it to the next level. Luckily, I have the solution. Luckily, I have everything taken care, because I've partnered with someone last year in July, I believe, or August, and I partnered with him, and he was a CPA expert making 6 figures with CPA. And I have a lot of his training, and I have a lot of his recent case studies and stuff. And also, a few years ago, we also sold a product which was around CPA and cheap clicks, and then we were able to perfect it, improve it, and as of 2019, which is last year, right, it was crushing it. So you're gonna love that one as well. So grand bonus number 1, you're gonna love this one, is step-by-step training on how to scale Profit Tearz and more CPA networks to profit from. Profit Tearz is a good CPA training, but it's not the end-all, be-all of CPA. In fact, they talk about fairly basic strategies, and while you'll probably make good money with it, you can make a lot more. Using my special training, where I'll show you a few more CPA networks and how to scale it with ease and no risk to 6 figures. You'll love this bonus. Then bonus number 2, which I'm going to give you, is how to get 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, really cheap traffic to your CPA offers. The traffic sources they share inside of Profit Tearz, like I said, they're good, but they're not amazing. And they're fairly basic, and they're also fairly expensive to start with. So my bonus will actually show you how to get dirt cheap clicks that will convert. And anyone can do this. It's very, very powerful. You're going to love this one for sure. If you have you'll love these 2 bonuses, and you'll get them instantly after you purchase Profit Tearz to my link. Profit Tearz is going to be around $13, $14, $12 when it goes live. Super cheap. Obviously, such a cheap product, I'm not going to give you like the biggest coaching program software bonus as a bonus because it doesn't make any sense. But I think these 2 bonuses are really going to give you that extra edge and really explode your results with Profit Tearz and take it to the next level. The training itself, let me repeat it. It's good. It's not amazing. And I want to make it amazing, which is why and how I'm giving you these bonuses. If you have any questions whatsoever about this product, about anything, let me know. They have a few upsells, but the thing with the upsells is the underground secret commission site, advanced 500x edition, done for you affiliate profits, 1K paydays, license rights. The thing with the upsells, they are optional. They're going to help you if you want, but they're optional. So don't feel like you're pressured into buying them because you're not, okay? So relax, it's going to be fine. And that's it. If you have any questions whatsoever about this product, about anything whatsoever, let me know. I'm here to answer them. And thank you so much for watching this review. It's a short review this time, I know. Just not a lot to review, it's a training. I went through it. It's a good training, not amazing. I'm going to make it amazing with my bonuses, so you're going to make a lot more money. I'm going to repeat what I said at the beginning. If with this training they're saying $136 per day, which is just a made-up number, I guess. Maybe it is. I haven't seen it in the case study. It's what's funny because the case study is $2,000 and the other case study is $920. Why not saying like 2,000? Just, I don't know. Maybe it's just a number. But in pandemic proof, the fuck is this, right? As you can probably guess, I'm not a big fan of the sales page, but it doesn't matter because it's a good product. So if you have any questions whatsoever, once again, let me know. My bonus will definitely make it better. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this. Bye-bye.